welcome to a new vlog. So I've actually not been vlogging. Today is Tuesday and a new vlog started on Sunday, and I've not been picking up my camera to vlog. It gets tiring at times. Whew. Anyways, I'm going to CDS today. Today is Tuesday and Tuesdays are my CDS. So today is Tuesday and I'm going for my CDS, as I've said, and I'm running late. CDS start by 9 and now is like 15 minutes past 9, and I'm going to have to stay here and wait for a bike that is going to take me there. Anyways, I'm going to try to keep up with vlogging. Honestly, it's not going okay. I just get tired and it feels like I'm repeating so much. I don't really have so much happening here. I'll try my best. Good morning, are you going? No, okay. Yeah, thank you. Oh, the struggle to get a bike in this place. Please just ignore this my wig. There's a matan and I did not moisturize it.
What's it gonna be? What we gonna do? Then we go again. This ain't nothing new. I ain't trying to run game, but it's true, cause you call me for help, you gotta chill. Need time for yourself, you gotta heal. This ain't something you felt, it's how you feel. We built this all wrong, I'll take blame, but instead of us tearing it down, we'll rearrange, baby. Don't let it fall, girl. Don't let it fall.
Don't wanna fight no more. Keep me where I belong. I've tried and I've tried, but I just can't find your love.
Oh, girl, you're shining. You know you're my diamond. You need reminding. This moment in time. Soul needs a lion. It's me you can find it. Seeking and hiding. Nowhere to find me.
Oh my god. Good morning. Hi. How are you guys doing? I'm fine. Anyways, I've been up, so I didn't just wake up, so ignore my crusty look. So Amatan is in high spirits over here in the north, so hence why I'm on long sleeve. And yeah, so I'm so hungry. I'm making potatoes, so the lighting is bad. I'm so hungry, so I'm making potatoes. I'm boiling potatoes. I want to fry egg and eat potatoes and fried egg. You guys, yeah, I don't want to take my tripod. So I'm so hungry, I'm famished. So yeah, the potato is on fire. Then I want to start preparing fried egg. You guys should ignore my bonnets. This my weave that is underneath this is almost over a month, and I'm yet to take it out. And that's because I want to make braids, and because I'm not ready yet to make the braids. And my hair, you guys know I cut my hair in January, almost a year. So my hair now, I'm growing out my natural hair again, so I don't want to lose it down, then not make it. I've actually missed talking to you guys. I've not been vlogging as much, and that's because last week vlog is still on my editing app. I just started editing it yesterday night, and I've not gotten anywhere. In fact, it's only the intro that I've edited. That's the only part of it that I've edited, so I've not gotten anywhere, so I'm not so motivated to vlog. But we need to vlog because we need to make sure that we get to 1,000 subscribers and meet the watch hours so that we can get monetized. I mean, I've been doing this YouTube thing for almost 3 years. No, I need to take it seriously because I must see it to the end. I must ensure that we get monetized. I must ensure that we make the 1,000 subscribers criteria, which is not easy, but not impossible. So as you are watching this video right now, hit on the subscribe button and subscribe to me. From checking the analytics, it shows that most of you guys that watch my vlogs, you are not subscribed. Why? Is my channel not interesting enough? Is my life not interesting enough for you guys to watch? I know it might be a little bit boring, but I know I'm trying my best. So as you are watching, subscribe, like the videos, subscribe and like and support me. That's the only way you guys actually support me. You guys into this cooking before I faint while talking to you guys. Oh my god. This is ready. Looks like it is ready. Let's confirm. Yeah, I'm having boiled potatoes and fried egg with ginger tea. That's what we're having this morning. Join me.
I'm not gonna waste this joy deep down inside me. I'm not gonna shake. Been stressed for so long, so stuck in my own way. So I'ma enjoy this moment. It's the day that the Lord has made.
Good morning, guys. Good morning, guys. Good morning, guys. Oh my god. It seems like I have a thing. I have a thing for picking you guys in the morning. I think. Let me. Okay, I think this is better. And yeah, I know my face is swollen. You don't have to come to tell me that. I know. And I didn't just wake up. I've woken up like 30 minutes ago, but I wasn't up and active. I just lay down there and was listening to some music to lift up my soul. Yeah, so I'm so hungry. This intermittent fasting thing is dealing with me. So basically I don't eat at night. Like I don't eat at night. I don't eat dinner. And I stopped eating. Normally before I stopped eating at anything between 6. I don't eat again. But now 4 o'clock. I stopped eating from 4 p.m. So when I wake up in the morning, I get so hungry. Like I get so hungry because of the weather, the harmattan and all. I was thinking taking ginger tea first of all before I now go ahead to to cook because I want to make breakfast. I want to cook rice and beans cook together like jollof or concoction, whatever. So and before that one is done, it will take time. So I was thinking, oh, let me take ginger, but this ginger tea, you cannot do it this morning. I'm so hungry. So I'm just going to take custard instead. So I'm going to make custard. Then when I make the custard, I will now cook the rice and beans. Yeah. So step one. Oh my gosh, I still have potatoes from yesterday. Oh my god, I have leftover potatoes from yesterday. Let me get my tripod stand because let me see if this thing is still good. It's still good though. Ah, let me just warm this leftover potato and eat. What will I eat it with? Okay, I'll eat it with bama. I have mayonnaise. I'll use it to eat the leftover potatoes then. I totally forgot that I had this leftover potatoes from yesterday because I got back home. Okay, you guys saw a few clips from yesterday. I actually went out to make clothes. Like I went to sew a dress for myself. So, but because my phone was dying, so I could not really film, and I wasn't in the mood to like talk while I was even filming the short clip that I filmed. Let me show you guys the dress. Not like a full thing. I'm going to wear the dress tomorrow. So you guys will probably see it tomorrow. I'm going to be wearing the dress for a wedding tomorrow. Let me show you.
Almost lost my mind a couple times. It got so hot I thought I wanna die. Blood dripping from my arm, just wanna feel inside. Too afraid to open up, so I'd rather hide. Man, I'm just so grateful that I made it this far. Almost thought I had to call my mama in a cop car. Benny's everything for me, everything I need. I would be nothing if you didn't give me no reason to be. Cause I'm riding through the city. But tomorrow and I ain't worried about it. Come too far. City with the top
Oh, how are you doing? Good afternoon. So this is a new day, and today is Saturday. And why am I checking myself out? So today is Saturday, and I'm currently heading out to the wedding. As you can see, I'm putting on my beautiful dress. The dress I made the other day that I was talking to you guys about in the vlog. Yeah, so this is the dress. Let me show you guys the full fit. I'm running late already for like we're supposed to meet up at a particular point, and I'm running late already. So let me just quickly show you guys the full fit, and I'll be on my way. So this is the dress. This is where we are looking for. Bike.